Hello, welcome. In the earlier lecture, we have discussed about various operators in JavaScript. We have discussed about arithmetic operators, assignment operators, and comparison operators. Now, let us discuss about some more operators in JavaScript. Let me open the Visual Studio Code. I will create one more file. I will call it as operators2.js. Now, we will discuss about number 4, logical operators. Logical operators are used with Boolean values. We have three different types of operators. This is logical and, two pipe symbol is logical or, this exclamatory mark is logical not. Let me declare two variables. Let a equal to 10, let b equal to 20. For example, if I say here a greater than 10 and b greater than 10. Whether a is greater than 10, no. And whether b is greater than 10, yes. Here one value is, here first value is false and their second value is true. And in that case, this AND operator will return false. Now, if I print this console.log, if I include this inside this, it should return false because any one of the condition is false. Then this AND will return false. To return true, here both the conditions should be true. Let us run and verify. Operators2.js. See, it is returning false here, right? Because this condition is false. A is not greater than 10. If I use OR here in place of AND, it will return true because for a OR condition, it means any one of the values is true. It will return true. I can copy the same thing here and I will just change this operator to OR here. OR. Instead of AND, I change to OR. It will return true. This OR operator to become true, any one condition is true, then it is enough. Then if I run now, you can see second one is returning true. This is true and first one is false. And returns true only if both conditions are true. And here OR returns true or returns true if at least one condition is true, right? That is the difference. Here not means it will negate the result. It means, for example, if I say console.log, I will say a greater than b. Whether a is greater than b here, a is 10, b is 20. So it is false. It will display false here. Let me clear this and let us run. See, it is displaying false here. This one, right? Now, I can use a not operator. Then this false will become true. It will negate the value. For example, console.log a greater than b, and then here I will negate this. I will use this negation, right? Then it will display true. Here negation means this condition is false, a greater than b. But when you use this logical not, this result will become reverse. True means it will become false, false means it will become true. This condition is false here, but when you use negate, it will become true. Let me clear this result. Let us run and verify. You can see here last result is true. So these are different types of logical operators which are used with Boolean values. There is one more operator called type of operator in JS. Type of operator returns type of a variable or value. For example, if I do console.log type of 10, what is 10 here? 10 is a number, right? It will display number. Or if I say console.log type of a is also a number here, right? A is a number, right? It will display the number. Let me clear this result. Let us run and verify. You can see it is displayed number. For example, if I say let yes equal to some value test, console.log if I display here type of yes, what is the yes here? Yes is a string type. It should display string, right? Let me clear this result and let us run. See, you can see string is displayed here. Similarly, you can check it for different data types. For example, I will say let b1 equal to true. So b1 is what type? Boolean. If I console.log type of b1, what it will display? Boolean. Let me clear this result. Let us run and verify. You can see Boolean. Last result is Boolean. Like this, you can use type of operator to find the type of variable or a type of value. See here, I have declared let b2 equal to false. Here, type of b2 is also Boolean, right? Like this, you can check for different types of variables. You can use a type of to find the type of value or a type of a variable. We will continue our discussion in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.